What if I told you you can give Google Flow one single sentence and it will write your full story, create all your characters, build every scene, and turn it into a complete AI video? No prompting skills needed. No expensive tools, just one sentence. I tested this entire process from start to finish so you don't have to figure it out yourself. And honestly, what I found surprised even me. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step workflow inside Google Flow, completely free, that takes you from a simple idea all the way to a finished AI video ready to download. If you've never used Google Flow before, don't worry. I'm walking you through every single step. And stay till the end, because there's one setting inside Google Flow that most people never touch, and it's silently burning through all their free credits. I'll show you exactly where it is and how to fix it. Okay, so first, what is Google Flow? Simply put, it's Google's own AI studio, where you can generate images and videos using AI. And inside it, there's a hidden feature called Storyboard Studio. Most people don't even know it exists. This is not your regular prompt box. This is a complete AI storytelling engine. You give it one idea, and it builds your entire story automatically. Characters, locations, scenes, dialogues, everything. You don't write any of it. The AI handles it all. To find it, open Google Flow, create a new project, then click on Tools. Scroll down, and you'll see Storyboard Studio. Click it, and let's go. Step 1. Choose your visual style. You'll see options like 3D animation, realistic, charcoal, concept sketch. I went with 3D animation. Pick whatever fits your idea. Step 2. Write your story in 1 or 2 lines. That's it. I wrote, "A young girl discovers a hidden door in her backyard that leads to a magical world." Just that. And the AI generated a full script, complete scenes, dialogues, transitions. I didn't write a single word of it. Step 3. Go to the Assets tab. This is where something happens that genuinely shocked me. Click Autofill Characters and watch. The AI generates your characters. Same face, same outfit, same hairstyle, across every single scene. This was the biggest problem with AI videos before. Different scene, completely different looking character. Google Flow just fixed that. Then click Autofill Locations and Autofill Props. Everything connects automatically to your story. No manual work. Step 4. Go to the Storyboard tab. Click Autofill Scenes. Now you have a complete visual storyboard. Every frame, every scene laid out in front of you. And the character consistency across all frames? Actually impressive. But here's the part every other tutorial completely skips. This is where most people stop and wonder why they can't get a final video. Let me show you what comes next. Now your storyboard is ready. Here's how you turn it into an actual video. Switch to Flow Agent mode. Select your storyboard image, go to the prompt box and type, "Convert this image into a video. Keep character consistent, cinematic movement." Hit send. The AI agent takes your storyboard frame and animates it, one scene at a time. You do this for each frame and your full video gets built piece by piece. Now, very important. Before you generate anything, go to Settings inside the agent and set the confirmation to Always. This means the AI will ask you before spending your credits every single time. This is the setting I mentioned at the start. If you leave it on Never, the AI will automatically generate and burn through all your free daily credits without asking. One wrong click and your credits are gone for the day. Once all your scenes are generated, go to Scene Builder. Add your clips in order. Trim anything you don't need. And that's it. Your complete AI video is ready to download. No video editing app needed, no extra tools. Everything done inside Google Flow. Now let's be honest about the free plan, because a lot of people are confused about this. Yes, Google Flow is free to use. Every day, you get 50 free credits that refresh automatically. Each video clip costs around 30 credits. So on the free plan, you can generate 1 to 2 video clips per day. If you want access to Omni, which is Google Flow's newest and most powerful AI model, you will need a paid plan. But for learning this workflow, practicing and creating short AI videos, The free plan is more than enough to get started. So that is the complete workflow. One sentence to full storyboard to final AI video. All inside Google Flow. All for free. No complicated prompts. No expensive subscriptions to start. If this video saved you hours of confusion, do me a small favor. Hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And if you want honest, no-fluff AI tool breakdowns every week, subscribe. I test these tools so you don't have to. I'll see you in the next one.